three stages of growth, and that itself is the knowledge digitization and monetization business model. First is digitization or digitalization, then monetization, and then marketing, right? Though I'm touching upon marketing briefly, but that is not in the scope of this program, because first things first, unless you have a product to market, what will you do learning marketing, right? So but whatever we are doing is to get ready for marketing, because marketing should be your investment when you are ready to scale. So marketing, you can define your marketing budgets, because that is the only work that will be left in this business: traffic generation, conversions, and that's all. Sales. A conversion is basically sales, right? So we have built. Though I'm saying marketing and not doing. I'm not telling you how to do Facebook campaigns or what else to do to generate leads and stuff like that. But they are all next level stuff. First, whatever we are doing is going to help us generate leads. Whatever we are going to do, we are actually preparing our marketing collaterals. Otherwise, this is the reason why you are not able to generate leads from your existing marketing pitch or the sales pitch that you do, because there is lack of clarity in your communication on the value you bring in the life of your audience, and that is why you need the GPS system, which is itself the foundation of marketing, right? And that is the knowledge business model: digitalization, monetization, and marketing, right? So they're all very intricately connected. Okay, though we are putting them as three different stages, right? Then we looked at what are your challenges, identifying self-created challenges and genuine challenges. Right? Once you have the genuine lack of digital know-how, not knowing the new age marketing skills, not knowing which digital systems to use, not knowing how to record videos, not knowing which platforms to publish, not knowing how much are the budgets involved, are all genuine challenges, right? But procrastination, lack of discipline, these are all self-created challenges. And if you are hungry for your growth, the solution to all your either it is your self-created challenge or your genuine challenges, you have to apply my ADD formula: actions, decisions, and directions. That is the root solution to all the effects. So you would have heard that unless you fix the root cause, the effects will keep on cropping up. Fix the root, the effects will automatically stop. So we are trying to fix the root cause of all the challenges, problems that you face in your life, be it self-created or be it genuine, is not taking decisions. Not taking decisions is a huge growth blocker for many people. Sitting on decision for months, years. I want you to reflect upon how many decisions you have left incomplete in your life. Action takers are decision makers, right? I can understand lack of direction because of our education system, because of the kind of exposure during our growing up years. I can understand that lack of direction from a right mentor. Being in the right direction can be a real challenge. But once you have found the direction, we continue to stay on the course by taking actions and decisions, because only actions will give you result. Right? So we looked at that. Then we looked how to shift the game plan, how to change the gears, which is learning the language of the digital world. What matters to you? So what is that success blueprint in the internet age? The 8 pieces of the digital puzzle: website, content, communication, social media, automation, campaigns, marketing funnels, and analytics. These are the 8 pieces which need to fit at the right place to make this digital puzzle complete and working for you. And then once that is done, right, what exactly is the business model, right? How do you, once you have all these things in place, what is it that we are trying to do? We are trying to generate traffic. Why? Because you want leads for your offerings. And once you are generating traffic, how do you build your list? Your list is your asset. It's your gold. Your knowledge is your gold. But in the real world, the currency of your business is list, which is the name, email ID of people who show interest in your offerings. Your list. What is the list of Facebook? What is the list of Ola Uber? What is the list of Swiggy? What is the list of Airbnb? Their database is their huge digital asset, and that is the digital estate they own on this virtual world. And I'll share a story here with you. Okay. So long ago, once upon a time, long ago, there was a very generous king. Okay. And in his kingdom, there was a poor farmer. Okay. He had lost his land and he just wanted some support from the king. And he went to the king and said that, can you help me? I don't have any land. So can you help me get some land? The king, being generous, said, okay, why don't you come tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. and I will let you choose the land. And they all go next morning. And the king says that you start walking as much land you can cover through the day. You have to come back to the same point. So whatever land you are covering, by the time you are back here, is yours, right? So the farmer was very happy, right? That as much as I can walk and come back is mine. So he kept on walking, he kept on walking, he kept on walking. And then suddenly he realized unless he goes back, he's not going to get what he has walked so far. So he started running back. And I will give a good end to the story. I have multiple versions of this story. So let's say he comes back. Okay. So there was a physical limitation to how much he could have actually gone and completed in this case, right? Now, do you know that generous king is still alive? Do you know that generous king is alive today? Who is that generous king? Who is that generous king? And the king is telling all of you, go and occupy as much as you want to occupy. Right? So who is the king? Who is the king? I thought mind, somebody said universe. I missed seeing your, let me see. Who is the king? Who is the king? Generous king. Generous king, please. Can I have some more responses? What has happened to the energy of day one? I thought this is my super energy participative batch. I want to see some more responses. King is universe. Internet. Thank you, Prashant. Thank you. Internet is the king. Thank you so much for bang on answer. Superb. So the World Wide Web, that internet is the king. And free of cost, it is telling you go and occupy as much digital estate that you want to occupy, right? It's up to you. There is a virtual world which is shaping up. And there is a real world. Buying a site in a real world is very expensive. But having few megabytes or gigabytes of your digital assets in the form of videos, your content, your website, your blog, your templates, whatever you do, not your knowledge, right? Is there any limit to how much you can as of now? Right? So it's up to you how much digital estate would you like to create. So traffic generation, list building, copywriting, conversions. Conversion is the sales strategy. Conversions means how will you convert your visitors to leads, to prospects, to customers, to loyal customers. That step, that strategy is conversion strategy. And for knowledge givers, the conversion strategy on the online world is, it is for anybody actually. You just have to tune it to your business, but the fundamentals remains the same. So have fun in the fundamentals. Okay. So, and learn more to earn more. Learn more to earn more. Right. So tribe building, we had traffic generation, list building, conversion, copywriting, and tribe building. Copywriting is basically your content and communication, which is relevant and what the market needs. So how to write that content is what we have been doing through your gain, pain, and system. I'm helping you come up with your content for your website, for all your marketing collaterals, for your Facebook campaigns, for your description of YouTube videos, for the way you will do your videos, for the way you will write your content in the form of text, the way you will record your podcast. there is a template for everything. And once you have clarity on what is the pain you are solving in the market, for whom are you solving this pain? Who is the target audience? Who is your target audience? And how will they benefit from your offering? And can you create a system for replicable results? Right?